Okay, so I actually have something that I find to be interesting with large language models, quote unquote AI, right? We are told AI is the future. AI is going to take away all of our jobs. AI is going to destroy the world. And then you ask technology professionals what they're doing with AI, and they're like, well, it could destroy the world. Finding actual solutions that require LLMs is a little bit more difficult than you may realize. Anyways, so I've been having the issue, right? So with what I do, being a content creator, I need to keep up with the news, know what's going on with the latest Ryzen processors or Intel or whatever else. The problem is that there's a lot of stupidity in the world right now. And let's be honest, I just hate everybody. I hate all sides of history. I hate them all with a passion. So anyways, when I'm going to look for news nowadays, I open up the news feed, I get all the news from all around the world, and it just pisses me off. And so I have this problem, right? I need to know the tech news, but I don't want to hear all the other crap. So I had an idea. What if I grab the RSS feeds for all the tech news sites that I normally read, and then basically I run those feeds, or I run the articles in those feeds through ChatGPT to give me a 50-word summary about what that article is, and then what if I just put that in a feed, right? So basically with this updates about every minute, goes out, scans a number of RSS feeds, so this is using Django, so it scans MIT Review, Tech Radar, Intel, VentureBeat, TechCrunch, Verge, Engadget, Gizmodo, and Ars Technica, grabs those feeds, grabs all the articles, the new articles out of those feeds, basically takes those articles, sends them to ChatGPT, and then I get this nice 50-word summary. So how Five Nights at Freddy's, it's creepy animatronics to life. Anyways, well, that's not a great title. Anyways, but it's just sitting here and it gives me a nice little summary. Nothing is changing. Reddit flatly denies report that it might wall off its content. And I get a nice little description here. And so what's really cool about this is, like, sometimes, because you might look at this and say, well, what about just a normal RSS feed? You could just take the normal RSS feeds, dump it into your database. But the thing is, like, the summary or the description that they give you, so what that TechCrunch will give you, or that VentureBeat will give you, it's gonna be like a teaser. It's not really gonna be enough to tell you what you care about. So what I like about this is this has ChatGPT. This is actually summarizing the entire article. I scrape the entire article using Beautiful Soup, and then output just a 50-word summary there. So I think it actually gives me better readability and all that. But yeah, so this is my little thing, tech-rss.com, and it should be up soon. If we go over, we can take a look at the code. So it's not too bad. I don't know, it's like 95 lines of code here. The big thing here is this RSS process. Basically with this, we grab all the feeds. So we grab all those RSS feeds. We then grab the URL from the RSS feed. So we grab the link, and then what we do is we use Beautiful Soup. We go through and we basically grab all the text out of, all the p text out of each one of these articles that's in the RSS feed. We then send that to ChatGPT. We then get a summary, or it fails for whatever reason, and then we save it. We save it to the article itself. So this is pretty decent here. I am running GPT 3.5 Turbo here. So this only allows for 4,000 tokens, but it's a fifth of a penny per 1,000 tokens. So every time I run this shouldn't cost me any more than 1 penny. Again, do be careful if you start using the 3.5 8K model, or if you start using the 4 models. Those can get expensive. Instead of spending a fifth of a penny per 1,000 tokens, you can be spending up to 6 cents per 1,000 tokens. So again, the 3.5 model is good enough for the price. But yeah, so that's it. I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. I'm going to I'm buying the domain name right now. So I'll buy the domain name before you actually are watching this video. Then I'm going to use DigitalOcean. So I'm going to create a droplet on DigitalOcean, pay like the $6 a month for their whatever. They're not the crappiest droplet. The crappiest droplet is $4 per month. So I'm going to go for a whopping $6 a month, and that is where tech-rss.com will be if you're interested in this. And again, it sounds Sounds goofy to say, but it is a big problem. Like with LLMs and quote unquote AI, everybody says how it's going to change the world. It's amazing how many technology professionals I talk to, and they're really not sure how. It will change the world. They're not sure how. But anyways, yeah, this will be online soon, and then I will most likely put the code onto Eli, the computer guy, or onto GitHub so you can see it. So if you like these types of videos, give us a thumbs up. If you don't like these types of videos, give us a thumbs up. Share, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff. See y'all later.